Next up, Uncanny files for LabRat. In this, we need to locate the medical records, retrieve them, and report back to LabRat. Easier said than done, as we're going to a relatively tough area with tons of very angry AI. Once again, Fort Narith. So, zooming into the far southwest side of the map here, we'll need to be quite prepared in order to come here, but essentially, you'll be heading across to this central building over here, the southernmost barracks, and you'll be heading to the northwestern side, right over here in the bottom right of 131, 141. Alright, so clearing out a couple hundred AI, we should be able to push towards this side of the building over here, which is the northwestern side. A couple more AI in this area right here, dealing with them too. We'll finally find our way to a tent, just like this, on the western side of the building up here. On the table, you'll find a army medical records sitting right about over here, once again, in that exact location over there. Unfortunately, I didn't make it out, but assuming you put it in your back pocket, in your secure container, you should be able to hand it in when you get back to spawn anyways. So hopefully this video helped you. That was Uncanny Files for LabRat. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.